I'm working on a Scott's lawnmower deck, basically the same as the John Deere L100 series, and then also the newer LA series, and then now they have a D series out. The tractors are all basically the same with very minor cosmetic changes to the hoods and a few other parts, but mechanically they're very similar. This was some documentation I had on a tractor that I sold a while back, and I was just using it to kind of give you an idea of what the tractor looked like that I'm repairing the deck on right now, because I don't have the tractor. The customer just brought me the deck to fix. And if you notice in the operator's manuals here, even though one says Scott's and one says John Deere, and then there's also a Sabre model out that's basically the same tractor, the manuals are identical with the different front page on them. Here's a Scott's 42-inch cut deck, same as the John Deere L100 series. Identical decks, just different color paint. Just leaning forward, you can see the bolt here. It's pulled forward, very common for these. I'll just straighten it up and then weld it from the top here around the perimeter of that. This bracket here is pretty well busted loose, barely hanging on anymore. It's already been hammered back somewhat into place, but still need a little bit of straightening out to that metal there on the top of the deck.